G'day, Shah here once again with 4 Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. A couple of weeks ago when we were out filming, very unfortunately, we lost the Mavic Pro in the water, just fell out of the sky. So what that actually has highlighted for me is the need for people to go through certain things, getting insurance with their drone, which comes with DJI Refresh Care it's called, and also registering your drone. Quite a lot of the time you don't think of doing these sorts of things when you get your drone set up, and you just want to get out and just fly it. So what I wanted to do today is just create a video which shows you the entire process just from start to finish on how to get a replacement drone, and also the things that you need to do in the beginning when you first purchase your drone, which will make things a lot easier for you. For the purposes of information here, just to let you know, I don't have any affiliation with DJI at all, or I'm not sponsored by them. I just wanted to provide this video and this information just for people who might be interested. So the first thing you need to do is navigate to the DJI website and quickly create yourself an account. And once you've got that nailed down, you can then go to the tab here that you'll see I have, where I am going to the service and support section. If you can invest, get the DJI Refresh Care. I mean, a couple of $1,000s for a drone is quite a lot of money, so you need to protect that investment. And if you can do so by paying an extra couple $100 when you're buying the drone itself, it's a very handy thing to have. What that Refresh Care does is it covers you for any accidental damage or anything like that, including collisions or water damage and that sort of thing. The process is actually really quite simple. There's a couple of different ways to get to the store. You can go to store itself, or you can go under support, and as you can see here, we've navigated to DJI Refresh. So if you do go ahead and decide to make a claim through DJI, whether it be using DJI Refresh or your warranty, it's done by the online repair request form, which we'll take a look at here. Now, filling in a repair request form is relatively simple to do, and what that actually does is it triggers a few things off. You're assigned a customer service representative from DJI who will get in contact with you. What they do then is send you some information on how to access all of the files that they need, and they also send you a reply paid postage label so that you can post any parts that may have been damaged in your accident back to DJI so that they can assess them, which we'll take a look at here. And that brings us on to the next little section here. So you'll see in the email that I've got from DJI, they provide you with some links in what information they require. You just need to go to your flight logs in your controller and then provide those in a link like Dropbox to DJI, and they review the data. They've got to look through all of that data before they can actually ascertain what happened with your flight, and then they come back to you with an answer on what the cause of your crash was. So what happened with mine is they worked out straight away that it was covered by a warranty and that there was a fault with the unit, and that's why it just stopped working. So a unit was provided back to me within 3 weeks, which is really good. So I hope that's been some good information for you to get a bit better of an idea on how the process works. Don't forget, if you're getting some value from this video and my channel, to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly share. And we'll see you next time we get 4 Wheels on the Road.